I'm here at this residence in the prep kitchen area downstairs. What the issue is, they're getting a lot of rat activity inside the house. Now, there's a lot more that goes into how the rats even got down here to begin with, but what I really want to focus on here today is the toe kick area underneath the cabinets. This is the primary area where rats love to hide. Inside of a kitchen, wait till you guys go to sleep, wait till the house is calm, and then come out and do what they do. The area I'm talking about is, if you can see, here's our sink, here's our cupboards, and down below there's this area called the toe kick. Well, if you look underneath, there's this opening that goes right into the hollow void area. And this area is where the rats will come in and out of. So what we're gonna do here today is we're going to get mesh to block this area off. Now, the downside to this is you never want to trap rats inside of an area where you don't have a control measure of some type. Unfortunately, we can't really put a trap in this area without breaking the toe kick off. So we have to use tracking powder on the inside of the toe kick void or rodenticide bait. Hopefully, the rat will find a way out and up through the plumbing or utility lines and either die somewhere else out in the attic or the crawl space. But unfortunately, sometimes they can die in the toe kick and you end up with the smell. But again, this is a must-have when you have heavy rat activity inside of a house. You cannot leave these areas open because we don't know what's really going on inside of here. Even when we camera in, we might not be able to see all the activity inside or actually what's going on. So blocking this off is always the best option.